there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a great way to pick up all of your pickleballs, I highly recommend this basket from CODIAO.
I am really loving this pickleball basket. It has made picking up these pickleballs so much easier. It has springs on the bottom, and when you put it over the pickleball and put light pressure, they go right into the bag. I love this because we've been doing more drilling with pickleball, and if you drill, you know the balls are just going everywhere. So in just a matter of a few minutes, I can have them all back in this basket. They hold up to 40 pickleballs, so quite a bit of space here. And what I love is that it has a telescopic handle, so you can adjust it based on your height. It's stainless steel, very durable, and it collapses down. So the handle comes apart and you can fold the bag down. This has made playing pickleball much easier, much more enjoyable when I'm not constantly bending down to get them. So I would highly recommend this. I am so happy I have it. I always put it in my car when we are going to play, so I would highly recommend.
And that's my point of view.